Whistleblowers and those who've suffered at the hands of the banks have welcomed the Royal Commission, but say it must reform a sales culture that rewards malpractice and irresponsible lending. Stephen Long reports.
It's the moment Marilyn Swan has been waiting for.
Well, about time. We've been waiting a long, long time for this. Hallelujah.
Marilyn's parents, Merv and Robin Blanche, were caught up in the Commonwealth Bank financial planning scandal.
My mum and dad invested $260,000 with a financial planner at the CBA, and within 2 years they had lost about 66% of their investment.
A trail of fabricated documents covered a dodgy advisor's tracks.
There was fraud and forgery, with documents being altered after my parents had signed them, and falsified documents being presented which my parents had not even completed.
The story is all too familiar.
Oh, the scale has been enormous. This affects broad, mainstream Australia, many thousands of people.
Among the scandals that sparked the inquiry, Storm Financial, Commonwealth Bank Financial Planning, Macquarie Bank Financial Advice, the Big Four overcharging on fees, the CommonSure scandal, and money market manipulation.
There's a culture where greed is rewarded with bonuses and unscrupulous behaviour is encouraged in the banks.
Jeff Morris blew the whistle on malpractice at the Commonwealth Bank and suffered the consequences.
Normally leaves you with something like PTSD, which was what happened to me. You lose your family. It's a terrible ordeal.
Consumer advocates want changes to a sales culture they say puts profits before people.
Widespread irresponsible lending. We've seen time and time again people being over-indebted.
The banking industry is simply structured to generate profits. They're not interested in their customers or their well-being or their financial security. Just watch down where you walk.
In their twilight years, Merv and Robin Blanche are hoping the Royal Commission can do something to change that.
I'm 92 now, and I never thought I'd live long enough to see this happen.
Let's see what it delivers. Stephen Long, ABC News.